second here. I'm trying to video this and flip it too, but...
This one right here?
Yeah, it's the big one we're going to do, but I'm trying to... Okay, take it behind my hand.
Ready?
Yeah. Nice and easy. Not to shake them because they're just going to land on the ground if we do.
Ready?
Yeah. Need stronger clippers.
Good job.
Try and get right. Make sure the queen lands in there. They're flying out. What the hell? Yeah, give them the inner cover and see. I have to finish pruning my tree.
Yeah, it's gonna be all uneven here.
Some of them are walking up the branch.
Another thing that might be happening is the bees that were in there already, that from that frame, may have been from that hive, so they may be kind of like fighting out saying, hey. So it's just going to be a numbers game. I think that swarm will win because there's more of them if they are separate.
Looks like they're full swarming around the tree here again.
Yeah, I think that those are bees. Those were like searcher bees that are kind of coming back from looking.
Ah.
So they'll get attracted to that hive once the queen is giving off her signal.
That's interesting. These guys are starting to march in now off the branch.
They are?
Yeah.
Where's my hive tool?
In my pocket.
Okay.
So what do we need to do down there? We just need to. I just want to change the inner covers.
Yeah, I don't think we need to put super.
Not yet. I didn't see it. They still had those frames to draw out. The old 7 out of 10 rule, I think. You know, when 7 out of 10 are fully drawn.
Yeah.
Go to the next level. So these guys are coming back to this location, huh? Yeah, they're swarming again down here on the...
Yeah, but they're not collecting.
Well, they're starting to.
Oh, yeah. And on this branch too.
Up top there, yeah.
And on this branch too.
What the hell? Yeah? Apparently. It's gonna take them a while to settle down.
Yeah.
See what we got. We got one cluster here. Small. Get stung or did you get
Stung. Get it.
What the hell? Stay away from me. See him running out of that other hive. What are they doing? Well, they could say I don't like it, right?
Yeah.
What's that?
They could.